Alright guys, first thing you guys are going to want to do, I usually get to round 4. Then I will hit the teleporter, head over, and I will get to my first objective and kill off the
Great.
final 2
Now I've got
zombies at the end of the
agents on
round.
my turf. Omega will love this. Actually, this might
I
work.
usually go right
Let's
to
test the
left. You can do it
hypothesis.
whatever order you want.
Requiem agents will restore facility power if offered Agent Maxis as reward. Go. Dr. Peck, how's life treating you under the red
But
sun? We'll do this. Just have Agent Maxis ready for evac.
you are going to want to kill every zombie, start the next round, and go ahead and get all 3 generators started. Alright, that signifies that the reactor has been started. I like to get to round 4 because by then you have enough points to get through the first set of doors and start the first reactor, and by the time you finish the first reactor, you'll have enough points to get to the next one.
One less hostile cadaver.
I have just enough points to get to the next area, and then we can start grabbing the parts for the RAIK. We already got a mimic spawning.
With that kind of camouflage, more of those creatures could be hiding in plain sight.
To the morgue with you.
And once you've started all 3 reactors, you're going to go back to the first area we were at, and you can grab the blueprint hanging on the wall.
Requiem team, the forge machine at my location now has power. You have used before, yes?
See, this door was closed
Make a
before.
weapon more angry than I'll cash after third bottle.
Go ahead and grab the RAIK blueprint,
Putting with Omega Group. See if you can find its parts.
and then you're going to want to head back to the area we were just at.
Weapon. You will first need something from him. His body must
And you're
be
going
around
to
here
go down
somewhere.
into the flaming tank over on the right side here. The one on the wall, not the one in the middle. You'll see a dead body that you wouldn't have seen before. You're
Lovely.
going to go ahead and hold your interact button on it. You get this beautiful scene. You're going to run back to the other area you were just at. And trust me, you want to get this round done. You want to get this done as early as possible. I like to have a decoy if you're doing solo, or just have a friend hold a zombie. Alright. You can make a crawler that makes it even easier on you. I'm gonna come over here to the computer. Right next to the computer, you'll see the scanner, the retina scanner. Go ahead and place that eye on it, and it will unlock this door here. Get a locker key. You'll run to the bunkers. And you can pick whatever side.
You found. I'd bet good money it's a locker key.
You can go to whichever side you please.
Another
Damn.
zombie KIA.
Oh,
Took your sweet time with that, didn't you? Head to mission control. I'll be waiting.
you are listening for a mimic to spawn. We had him spawn. He should be the right one. Alright. You see a barrel assembly dropped from the mimic. Go ahead and pick that up.
Rifle.
You are almost ready. Once you get your crawler, this is the important part. This is the one you absolutely need the crawler for. Or decoys or something to keep the zombie off of you, because you need to keep your focus on this area. You're going to interact with this computer. See, it is 2 up from the right, 2 up from the left.
Decoy up.
And 1 up from the left. Alright. Alright, and you're gonna go back over, or you're gonna go back to spawn, hit the teleporter, come over to here. If you don't have a single shotgun, go ahead and buy the Magnum off the wall. Alright, it was 2 from the right, 2 from the left, and then 1 from the left, and then you shoot in the center, and it will drop your part. The dartboard code is completely random.
Cool place certainly hid that
Grab
serial
that.
converter well. I suppose you'd have to in a KGB base.
You are waiting for a mimic to spawn. They'll usually spawn around round 15 for your magazine for the for the RAIK.
That's enough out of you.
If you notice, when the mangler was killed, he dropped the magazine right by the gate.
That bastard is out of commission.
You're gonna come over here. Okay, right next, when you walk in, right on the left side here, you'll see a charge the power cell. Alright, you're gonna go up to it, you're gonna place it in, and then you're gonna make sure you interact with it.
Need a little longer before it's charged.
You'll get a voice prompt from the game telling you you need to wait. Don't forget to interact with it. If you forget to interact with it, that power cell will never charge. So make sure you interact with it. It only takes a round, so if you put it in at the start or at the end of one round,
Another zombie KIA.
should be good, or it should be charged by the end of the round. If you wait till the start of another round, you will have to complete another round with it.
There aren't enough graves in the world.
You walk over here, you'll see it is glowing yellow, and that is signifying that it is fully charged. Next to the computer over here is your building bench, so go ahead and build it. You have just built the RAIK.
I'm really not too keen on guns, but I'm honestly dying to see what this one can do.
The RAIK is two firing modes. Obviously, you got full auto. And when you run a nice long train, you're just trying to get a second to breathe. You can go ahead and press up on the D-pad or whatever your alternate fire mode is for whatever you're playing on.